Hello students, welcome back to my new video on lesson of set. In this session, we are going to study the methods of writing a set. There are two methods of writing a set. The first one is listing method or say that roster method. The second one is rule method or set builder form method. In previous video we learned how to write the set, and in this session we are studying the methods of writing a set. We begin to our next. As the name suggests, listing method or rostered method. In listing method, all elements of sets are listed. Let's see an example. If you want to purchase some groceries, so what will you do? You first make a list of all stuff you want to purchase and write it down on a sheet of paper. So same way, in the same manner, in listing method, we make a list of all elements of set. So first we see some points. The first point is we write all the elements of set in curly bracket. As we earlier video we see this rule. Also in second point, each of the elements is written only once and separated by comma. Each of the elements is written only once. And third point is the order of element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the set. It means there is no necessary to maintain the order of elements. You can write elements or you shuffle the elements, but every element should be right. Every element should be there in the set. So we move on our next slide. Let's see an example. The set of all the letters in the word mathematics. We have to write a set which contain the letter in the word mathematics. So we write the set. Let's say equals to MATHEMATICS. So here we make a list the letters in the word mathematics, but there is some mistake here. In our previous video we see what is the rules of writing a set. In the roster form, an element is not generally repeated. We should not repeat the elements. We write it only once. Maybe it repeated 1, 2 times, 3 times repeated, but we have to write only it once. So here which words are? M is repeated, A is repeated, T is repeated. So we remove this repeated word. We write only once. And what is our new set is A equals to MATHEICS. This is the set of all letters in word mathematics. We see another example. The set of odd numbers between 1 and 10. So we take a set O equals to 3, 5, 7, 9, or we write it as O equals to 9, 7, 5, 3. There is no required write in the order. We can write in any way, but every elements should be there. Next, second one, the set of multiples of 7. The multiples of 7, the set B equals to 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and so on. This is the infinite set. The list is infinite. So here we write dot 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 and the curly brackets. Next example, the set of all vowels in English alphabets. So which are that vowels? So we write the set V equals to A, E, I, O, U. This is the set of all vowels in English alphabets. Now the set of all natural factors of 42. The factors of 42, the F equals to 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. It has all natural factors of 42. So in this way we write in the listing method, or we say that the roster method. Our next method is rule method or set builder form. In rule method or set builder form, we describe the set by indicating the properties of elements. It means here we only consider the properties of elements. All the elements of the set possesses a single common properties which is not possessed by any elements in the outside the set. It means we only consider the common properties of elements which only satisfy the set or the elements in the set, which do not satisfy any other element outside of the set. So while building the set, we have to only consider the common properties of set. So see some points. The point 1 is, instead of writing the list of element, we use here variable. We do not write the complete list. For the list we use only a single variable, any variable, x, y, z, etc. Next point is, variable is followed by the vertical line or column. When we writing the set, after the variable we use a column or a vertical line. Point 3, variable is described by the common properties of element. Then we have to write the complete properties of that elements. So in our example we see this. How can we write the set? Let's see an example. The set of all natural numbers between 1 and 10. So in listing method, how we write it as a equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in set builder form, how we write? A equals to x, x belongs to n, and 1 is less than x and less than 10. So let me clear. Firstly, we see how we read this set. So we read the set as follows. The set is a set of all x such that x is a natural number between 1 and 10. So once again we see the set A. Look at the sentence and what is the flashing. The set A is the set of, when I say the set of, it means curly bracket, set of all x. Here I write the x for the every elements, where x may be 2, x may be 3, x may be 4, x may be 5, x may be 6, x may be 7. It may be x. We write the x for all the elements in set x. Next, such that means I write is the vertical line or semicolon. Here either I write the vertical line or semicolon. So next, x is a natural number. What is our statement? The set of all natural number. What is the x? X is a natural number. Where what is I write is x belongs to n. N is by default the set of natural number. Universally n is set to the set of natural number. It means x is a natural number. It never may be 0, it never negative number, it never fraction, it's only natural number, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the x is a natural number. So next, between 1 and 10, x is a natural number between 1 and 10. It may be it is greater than 1 but less than 10. So say x is less than x is greater than 1 and less than 10. So x is a 2, x is a 3, x is a 4, x is 5, x is 6, x is 7, x is 8, and x is 9. So for all the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we write only the x. Let's see some another example. Here we comparatively see the listing method or roster method and set builder form or rule method. First example, x equals to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and so on. So what we get here, S contain 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. Here the squares of all natural numbers. Why I clearly say the natural numbers, the square of natural number, because it does not contain 0. If there is a 0, so then I say that it is a integers, the square of integer. But so here there is no 0. Here only the squares form 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. So I said that this is the squares of natural numbers. So in set builder form, how can we write it as S is a set of all x such that x is a square of natural number. Or in another way, x is a set of all x such that x equals to n square and n belongs to capital N. Here I write the equation x equals to n square and another variable n is belongs to natural number. And second, the set of letters of word principal. So how I write in the list method, a equals to p r I n c a l, I avoiding the repeated element, and in set builder form, a equals to y, I take the another variable. A is a set of all y such that y is a letter in word principal. Third example, c equals to ... -6, -4, -2, 2, 4, 6 and so on. Here the list which have no start and no end, it also comes from infinite and tends to also infinite. So what we see here, -6, -4, -2, 2, 4, 6, all are even numbers. All are even numbers, but they are integers. They are not natural numbers, they are integers. So in set builder form, how can we write it as C is a set of all A such that A belongs to I and A is an even number. It means A is integer, A belongs to I, and what is also A is an even number. Another example, G equals to -7 and 7. What we are seeing? Only two elements. -7 and 7. One is a negative number, one is positive numbers. So what is this property? So we say in set builder form, now G is a set of all x such that x belongs to I and x equals to square of 49. It means -7 and 7 are the square root of 49. Every square root has a two numbers, two roots. Here 49 has a square root, -7 and 7. I hope you like my video. So please subscribe my YouTube channel Navpratibha Study Forum. Thank you.